Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
But you just took a hell of a hit. I just popped his nose so hard, your eyeball just popped out. And hit his close as shit.
I'm legally blind.
See, this is hard. Sorry. I truly am. But I did say it. No exception. You bunch of pussies. I'm just getting started. Here's a vampire back. What? Was the joke that bad?
Back to it.